This is one of the villages that was demolished by the police. All of this village have been done just like this, just the same. They were demolishing everything from the chicken run, kekuru, crawl, everything, toilets, whatever. So we are just living like animals in this farm, just because of only one person. Thank you.